All right, what's up, guys? I'm gonna try to document this as best I can, bring you along with it. I'll describe more about what we're doing when we get into the car, but we're going on a little cruise here in my local city. So like I said, I'll explain more when we get in, check out the car, and tell you more about its historical significance, especially to the area and the United States itself. So we should be going in there in a minute, or bringing the car out, one of the two. So we'll check back in a second. Okay, guys, we just got in here, and here it is. So if you know your American automotive history, this will mean a lot to you. So we are in Kokomo, and that's my local city. This is a 23 Haynes, and what we're doing is driving this car on the, so it's kind of like a little parade we do every year before our Haynes Apperson Festival. And this is the car we get to drive. And my wife's coming along with us. So here it is. You can kind of see the color there. It almost looks all black in the film. So if you remember the previous videos of the 33 Plymouth truck, he is on the historian board for the city, so he has access to this car and driving it and taking care of it and things like that. So that's pretty much what we're doing. We get to go out and enjoy this thing and teach some people about the history of this car and how much more important the previous years were when they drove them. So hopefully we can go enjoy this thing and have a good time. We'll film a little bit of us driving it and getting to enjoy it.
Was down where NISCO, Northern Indiana Supply.
Okay.
That was the Apperson.
That was the Apperson building. Yeah. Now we're the apartment.
I think that might have been the one that Diller had in Maryland.
So it would have been across from Tate's place.
Yeah.
The old Haynes.
Apperson had where foreign auto parts.
That is that.
No, that's not this one.
Because that was a Humble Chrysler.
This is 1902.
I know, and this is a 1902. All right, you ready? All right, guys, we're gonna go get it fired up. Show a couple more of these here as we're on our way out. All right. got a little bit of a water pump leak.
Time I'm in this thing, I'm like, do you have any Grey Poupon?
The gray poupon.
I need one of them little neat hats.
What are these for?
That would be your ashtrays.
Oh, for smoking?
Hell yeah.
Smoking a purp. What was that from?
Smoking a pipe. Gold member.
Yeah. She said go ahead and open those back for this. You guys go to roast.
Is this open?
This one, I think that one will be good. That'll get the air moving.
Air conditioner.
Well, now you can say you've ridden in a 1923 Haynes.
I know. Like, who else gets that opportunity? How many times have you done this, Jason?
Second time.
You should have dressed up like from the 1900s.
They do that sometimes.
Do they really?
They do different tours where they'll do that. I left my phone in my truck. No, I didn't. It's in my- Figured out how to get third.
Did you?
Yep.
We're learning.
I'm learning today.
Suspension's pretty good.
Right.
Yeah, we should do that 500 there. Now that's not into.
Yes, you should do the 5K.
Oh, goodness.
We'll be there. I'll be looking for you now.
I know, my brother's doing it. I'll think about it.
It's what? Yeah, hang out. I'll be there in a minute.
Gosh, you can tell how old some of these houses are.
Everybody behind us, Ryan.
Looks like it.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
wow, that's a great
That's
looking run.
amazing.
Yeah.
See where your football's coming from? See where your football's coming from? Yes. Two blue chairs over there. Let's not come get one. Go sit in one of them and tell me him stop smoking when we're done.
Okay, guys, we got to go through a friend's private collection. This here is a 1922 Haynes that was actually wrecked in 1924, and they turned it into a wrecker. So they got this car out of Pennsylvania, I believe, and has been a wrecker its whole life. He has the original bed. It was in pretty rough shape, so he recreated that one right off the original. This is a 26 Buick, I do believe, all original. And what's really neat about this one, it has been on the road every single year driving since it was new, which is pretty dang cool, in my opinion at least. And here we have a 1966 Austin Healey. I do believe 67 was the last year they made them. And a 77 4-speed Trans Am. All right, guys, I'm back from the event, and it went great. Had a blast. Hope you enjoyed getting to see that. It was kind of random. The opportunity kind of popped up this morning to do it, and we kind of jumped on it, and turned out great. Hope you enjoyed seeing all these cars. A lot of guys really don't know much about those, and there's really not a lot of them around. They're pretty rare. So it's kind of cool getting to see all these ones in one place. So wish I could have filmed a little bit more, but at the end there, when we got to the show, it was a little bit hectic and really loud, so I really couldn't hear to film because they started some live music. But anyway, that'll do it for this video. The next video, you guys should see the rear end getting put together. But before that video, the 55 Bel Air that was in, I'll probably have one out on a detail process with that, getting it all cleaned up and the carpet stuff fixed and the seat put back in its proper location. That'll probably be out first, and then this one on the rear end, getting it put together and whatnot. But anyway, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.